that is what unscripted television looks like. You've got 17 minutes of film there.
Yeah.
All we did was buy a jumper, which was actually a sweatshirt.
It was.
And have a 10-second drag race. That's all we did.
Well, hang on a minute. I built a fire engine.
Yeah, but it wasn't a very good fire engine.
Yes, it was.
I'm sorry, James, but your water cannon would only be any use at putting out a fire if the fire were on your windscreen wipers. Anything further away than that would be hopeless.
I put out that bin fire.
Yeah, the bin fire that you started.
I did not start it.
Yes, you did.
I might have done a bit.
Yes, and
You did a lot. Anyway, listen, we'll pick that up later on.